So how do you blur background on a Snapseed? Let me show you exactly how it works, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So we open up the Snapseed and let me just come back to like a brand new image and let me pick something which has like a clear foreground, right? So as you can see, this is a sample image from the internet, but you can see that we have the ability to be in other tools and swipe up to access this. And what we can click on is the lens blur. And when you click on a lens blur, you get like this controller, which you can kind of like change and like resize it, right? So as you can see, you can make it smaller like this, and now essentially the thing which is selected is focused on, meaning it's fully sharp, and the thing behind it gets blurry. So you can adjust the strength like this, perhaps even make it zoom out so more area fits into the image, and now you can see the background is blurry and the foreground is focused on. So that's like the easiest way to make that work. You know, it's just something that you can do. Outside of that, what you can do if you want to be a little bit more precise with it is also use this lens blur tool, but just make it as small as it can be, put it all the way to the corner, and make sure that the intensity is set to 100%. So when you hit it done, essentially the whole image is blurry. But now you can click on the layer, tap the mask next to the lens blur, and then decide which parts of the image is specifically going to be blurry, right? So now you can use your finger and kind of like blur only the areas you actually want, right? So you can get like a similar result, which also looks very nice. You can hit it done and actually save it to your gallery. So yeah, either manually select the parts you want to blur or use just a lens blur tool, which focuses on the subject and everything else is blurry. So that's what you can do. Let me know if you manage to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.